Founders know they should post on LinkedIn, but research, writing, and consistency kills momentum. My name is Pelle, and I'm building self-running businesses using AI. And on this channel, you will watch me do it piece by piece, from simple automations to fully automated SaaS products. In this video, we're going to automate content creation for LinkedIn. Message your idea. AI will research it, write an engaging LinkedIn post, generate an image, and save it on a Google Sheet. And if you want, it can post on LinkedIn as well. So let's go. We're going to start with adding a chat node, so we can chat with the agent. We're adding it right here. Right here, we might write some benefits on microlearning. It's going to take that information and it's going to enter the HTTP request and do some research on the web. So we're going to add post. We're going to add a URL and a tool called Tavili that scrapes the internet for research. We're going to add a JSON body to map our account, our Twilio account. So now the first two nodes are set up. So we will just make an example here. So I will write, let's say I want to make a post about benefits of micro learning. I send it, and it's going to give me here benefits of micro learning, latest trends and statistics. It gives me a summarized answer, and we have all the results here. So it went out on the web, found a bunch of articles, and have read them, summarized them into one text. So we're going to take that text that the HTTP request we're summarizing, and we're going to add it into a AI node. We do a OpenAI module. We're going to go with the GPT-4.1. We're going to write a system prompt. And this system prompt basically says that you're a LinkedIn ghostwriter for Pelle from Accessly. It gives some formatting rules, research integration, pulls specific statistics, percentages, and numbers from the research, referenced real trends, studies, and industry shifts mentioned in the findings. So it goes out and does some deep research. We will also add a user prompt, and we're going to map it. So write a LinkedIn post about what I wrote in the chat. Collapse this. Chat message received. So I wrote this, benefits of microlearning, and then the research findings. And we're going to map from the HTTP request the answer. Microlearning boost, retention by. We're going to map it right here. And we're going to execute to see so it works. That means we're going to pass it from the HTTP request through this AI model. So now it's going to write a post. Microlearning boosts knowledge retention by up to 60%. That's more than double traditional methods. Yes, we're going to exit. And to be honest, already we have a great product. So now we're going to add a fourth node, and it's going to be another OpenAI node. So we're going to add an OpenAI node. And this is an image prompt generator. So this node will take the post and it will transform it into a prompt that will generate an image in the next node. I'm going to use the system prompt. I'm going to paste it here. Create a DALL-E image prompt based on the LinkedIn post provided. Rules: the image must visually represent the main topic of the post. Output only the image prompt, nothing else. User message. And the user message here will be the post. So the LinkedIn post we created in the last module, we're going to paste it here. So it will take the post and it will send it in here, and it will transform it into a image prompt. We're going to execute, see what happens. So it basically took this microlearning boost knowledge retention by up to 60%, blah, blah, blah. And it turned it into a diverse team in a modern office, each person using a laptop or tablet for short individual training sessions. Natural daylight streams through windows, everyone focused and engaged. Yes. And after this node, press save here. After this node, we're going to add a, let's see, OpenAI, generate an image. Yes, then we're going to add the prompt. And the prompt was created in the last node. So we will just map it. So this is the prompt, the output from our last node. We're also going to add option. And we're going to respond with image URL, because we're going to save this later in a Google Sheet, and then we need a URL. So it was executed successfully. So here we got the URL for the image. Then we're going to move on, and we're going to add a Google Sheet. So we're adding a Google Sheet, update row, content logs. We're going to use the LinkedIn page. We're going to map it manually. post will be right here. So we have text, that's the post. So here we have it, the date. Topic will be what we wrote in our chat will be the topic. The image URL will be right here. Status will be draft, and that's it. All right, so we're going to test the workflow. I will just move myself over. We're going to open the chat. All right, why should businesses use AI automation? It's going to research. All right, so it executed successfully. So we're going to check out the Google Sheet. And here it is. 70% of businesses say AI automation slashes operational cost and accelerates innovation. With economic pressure intensifying, companies need faster, smarter ways to stay ahead. And falling behind means missed opportunities and efficiency and growth. And then 3 key points. And then some ties back to our company. And then a question. If we scroll here to the right, we have a image link also, and it's set to draft. So one more thing we can do if we want is adding a LinkedIn node and create a post. So right here we just add our account, we take post, we write our name like this, we map the post from the Google Sheet, just map it, that's the text. And if we want an image, we just press image, and we can also map the image URL. And then every time we run this workflow, it will post on LinkedIn as well. So here it is, the complete workflow. We have the chat message where we tell it what to post. It does some deep research on your topic. It creates a post specific to LinkedIn. It writes a image prompt on your LinkedIn post. It takes the prompt and generates an image. It logs everything in the Google Sheet. And finally, it posts on LinkedIn. If you want, you can just disconnect this and post by yourself from your Google Sheet. So you just go in, you take the content and you post it manually. Don't forget to follow Pelle Forsman, where we talk about business, mindset and growth. And if you want this implemented in your business, book a call via the link in my bio and I set it up for you.